Jupiter and Saturn, those are the big planets. Uranus and Neptune, known to the sky, those are planets. What's next?
I don't know what's next.
Mercury. What's
And
next?
what's next?
Venus.
And then what's next?
Earth.
And then what's next?
Mars.
And then what's next?
Jupiter.
And then what's next?
Saturn.
What's next?
Uranus.
And then
What's next?
what's that?
Neptune.
Where's Pluto?
This here.
Why?
Why is it color yellow?
I don't know. Why is it yellow?
Because it is yellow.
What's this?
The sun.
And then,
What's next?
can you tell me a story about the sun?
What do you call this?
Or what's that?
Milky Way.
Oh, okay. How many moons does the Earth have?
1,
How about Mars?
2,
How about Venus? How about Venus? Hey,
2 moons.
2 moons? Are you sure? How about Jupiter?
29 moons.
Is that true?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
what's a comet?
A tail of gas.
Oh my god. What's the center of the solar system?
The sun.
Oh my. And then, well, look at that. What's that?
Planet.
Why do you like planets?
They're spinning around.
Okay, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.